But moving on to, well, what many may consider the real big story for today. You're getting no more pesky calls, no more SMSs from telemarketers. That's, of course, if you've signed up for the Do Not Disturb registry. But many, especially college students, are discovering that this has come at a price.
It's almost too good to be true. No more waking up to advertisements selling a slimmer figure or apartments you may not be able to afford. The Telecom Regulatory Authority of India has finally begun cracking down on such unsolicited, pesky messages by telemarketers. Texts from prepaid SIMs will be limited to 100 a day, while the limit for postpaid is 3,000 texts a month. No calls and texts permitted between 9 p.m. to 9 a.m. You can block these by calling 1909 and choose the fully blocked or partially blocked option. For those service providers who persist with unsolicited messages, there's a reasonably hefty fine of up to 2.5 lakh. But clearly, you can't please everyone at the same time.
All those events which are taking place in the college or about to take place in the college, it's just through messages that we convey everybody. You know, we have a habit of texting so much and now it's been limited, so you cannot text anymore. That's bad.
You cannot please everybody. For students, their lifeline is texting, and for them, the text being limited to 100 a day is very restrictive, but at the same time, they're happy. And what they're happy about is that the next time the phone rings, they can be sure it's a friend on the other end. With camera person Sanjoy Daya in New Delhi, Avleen Gill for NDTV.
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone, fastest scorecard, special analysis, and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.